Okay, so, whew, a little bit in quotes late to the chart. Just trying to figure this shit out. Looking at the 10-minute, it's a little bit weird, but price kind of did tap into this zone right here, kinda. It did. Okay, and so I was looking at this possible zone right here. There's an area that price could potentially go to. Okay, so we had unemployment news at 8:30, and so look relatively close to this setup. So this is like supply and a support and resistance setup. Listen, if price blasts through this, then it definitely don't want to go down. So if we're wrong, we're wrong. So we got
order filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
25.
Order filled.
Why am I not in this order though? What? Did y'all hear order filled? Y'all see price, but it don't got me in on my live account. 867.25, 867.25. What the hell is going on? That's weird as fuck. 870.25. Anyway, let me adjust my shit. So at 860.25. That's weird as fuck. 860.25. I'm not in this trade in my live account. That's really crazy. 860.25. What did I do wrong? Please let me know. Like, what? That's crazy. Literally the same job. That's crazy. I'm in it on one. Wait, no. What? What is going on? I have 14. They saying I'm in 9. Bro, I don't know what's happening right now. Like, I legit have no idea what's happening, bro. What? Y'all see I have 14 right there. Why is it only say 9? What the fuck is happening today?
Order filled. Order filled.
What? Oh, you're a bitch. Huh? Now I got 14 contracts going on. What is happening, bro? Now I got 14 contracts. I'm thinking, yo, did I misplace the sizing? Did I do something wrong? It was just them being weird. I'm thinking I'm not on my shit. Bro, that shit is fucking heart attack. Alright, so we in this trade. Why am I in this trade? Bro, I ain't gonna hold you, bro. Listen, on the 10-minute, we kind of tapped into this little Bart Homer, a little bit in the liquidity, right? A little bit in that John. No cap, right? And then when I seen that on the 10-minute, I'm like, okay, price broke structure right here. Tapped into this liquidity John, and then broke structure again. No, wait. Tapped into that liquidity John right there, and then broke structure with this move. That was the 8:30 high impact news. And so I seen that it had this huge support and resistance wick liquidity shit, and also this supply zone right here. And I was like, okay, well, this is 14 ticks, so that I can handle that. So I'm just gonna put the whole thing because I literally have no idea. Honestly, I probably could have halved it, but I don't know. I'll let you know though. And what I like about this stop loss is that if I get stopped out, then it just proves that price wants to continue going up rather than down. But just looking at price action, right, we swept the lows right here with this liquidity, and then we kind of developed a new high or a new low from it. We broken structure, all this stuff. We haven't done a major amount. Like, it would be cool if we got something like this, like past this, and then went down, and then we can probably have some similar. I don't know. Honestly, I wish I got into this with like a smaller position because I really don't like big or long trades because I just I ain't gonna lie to you. I woke up late today. My alarm, my eight, I show up at the charts at 8:30, bro. My alarm went off at 8:26, like it always does, and that is when I was up. I was already in sleep. I was already in bed sleeping, and bro, I woke up in a shock. I had to use the bathroom real quick, bro. It was like 8:26, 8:27, 8:28. I was like, oh my god, bro. But we got here. We got here just in time. We literally got here at 8:30, and I was like, fuck, I hate getting here at 8:30. But yeah, price is holding up on this area right here. If we can see price break past this low, I have a lot more confidence about this taking off. Right now, is iffy, dog. I just don't like taking big trades like this. This is fucking huge. My personal opinion. But I'm looking at this as like a supply and demand setup mainly. Like as far as my entry goes, I got in on the supply. But yeah. I mean, honestly, it's like I just want to be a little bit better. Like like if I could make this trade smaller, I wish I did, but I didn't because I wanted to like be able to have everything included, and it's within the ticks that I have, so I can't be too like but I just do not like holding my trades for this long because that's expecting that's expecting a lot from price as a scalper. My personal opinion. 28 ticks. My heart is sweating. Well, not really, but if we can get price to break that red line, I'll have a lot more confidence that price actually wants to go down. Seems like we're low-key getting that. Price just tapped into the zone. I'm not satisfied until this shit hits TP. Even though it got here, bitch, it could still just as easily go back up. I'm not satisfied, and it did not break structure. It did not create a new low. So I'm a little bit like, we got almost a minute left, more than a minute left. So anything can happen. I'm not satisfied until price hits TP. Because what can happen right here is literally price is here, and then it just builds resistance, right? And then it goes consolidation, and then next thing you know, it's breaking structure. Then next thing you know, it's going back for a tracement, and then next thing you know, it's making a higher high. So I'm not satisfied until I see a lower low being created, until I see price be making a lower high and a lower low, and so that bitch can hit TP. That's all I'm satisfied with. But I'll let you know, bro. I'll let you know. If this candle can close past this, or if not close past it, then at least close strongly below that line, then we'll be looking good. Listen, while I deal with wicks, candle closure is important. Okay, we did break that low, so that is a good thing. But how does this candle close? Does it close like this, or does it soak up and become a relatively bullish looking kind of candle? It really depends. This is kind of like 50-50. This looks like more bears are in play, but anything can happen, right? We just made a lower low, so now price can have its retracement, but not too much. Not too much now. Don't do it. I'll let you know. I'm hoping for price to break this. My fault. I'm watching YouTube videos. I'm hoping for price to break this low. If we can get that low to be broken, bro. Low key, we have so much more to go. Like, I'm sorry, bro. I'm expecting so much from price right now. It is currently 8:47. Like, this is a lot to expect from price. Like, this trade is just too long. But if we can get a break, child, we got 25 seconds left. Okay, we got a break. Bruh, this better not be one of them. It's a pip away, and then, yeah, no, bro. I'll let you know, bro. See, and this is where the discipline is coming from. Because I have fear, bro, like, this is literally a thought that ran through my brain, and you can see it on my trading view. I'm like, my stop loss is over here. Because of my fear, solely because of my fear of this getting close to my TP, or and stopping me out, I was like, let me bring my TP a little bit, or my stop loss a little bit more down, so that it can half the risk. And it's according to price action. Like if price is going down, making lower lows as we see, why is price coming all the way up here? You know what I mean? Like why is it? So that it can bounce down? Like that's so unlikely. But you know what? I'm gonna keep it as is, and I'm gonna be strong, and I'm gonna be patient, and I'm just going to see how the cookie crumbles. Literally. If I let me see, that would be want to do it. As in, like, if I went like the first half of that zone right there, and I just marked that up. Like this is technicalities, like, from a huge thing, bro. Yeah, I'm just nervous. It's currently 8:49. These fucking turtles, bro. Okay, we've been consolidating for a minute, but we got this strong bearish candle to closure, and now this price is like has a pretty strong bearish reaction. We still have so much more to go. That's why I'm still like, this is fucking torture. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I make it as hard as possible, or yeah, I try to make it, like, my trades as short as possible, like tick wise. I try to shorten it, but listen, I got to the charts late, and this was what I saw, and my fear mongering mind didn't want to put my stop loss anywhere but in here. Or I wanted it like this to protect myself, to give myself a chance, regardless of what happens actually. So yeah, the only thing that I'm looking at on the 10-minute is the fact that we are tapping into bullish territory. Yeah. That's the only thing that I'm a little bit like, I don't know if this is gonna go down. Because we're literally tapping into, like, all of this bullish shit. So, I don't know. I'll let you know. And if I do see it breaking this, like, if I see it come all the way back here, I am probably gonna move my stop loss up. I'm gonna keep it a buck. If I see it break past this structure, I'm bringing them bitches down. Listen, I don't need to take a full hit. That's the fear in my mind. Ugh, you know what? No, fuck that. I'm gonna let it play. Regardless of what happened, it's gonna stop me out. Fuck! Sorry. Bruh, if this starts breaking structure, we're cooked. We're cooked. Price made a strong push to the bulls with that candle. You got a little liquidity. You got a little wickety wick. Now I'm like, I don't even know. I may be playing this off like, oh my god, what the fuck is happening? And internally, it's not like my heart is beating, but it's not like like full on panic. I'm literally on my phone watching TikToks and shit. But I'm not happy, and I am nerve wracking. I'm nervous because I'm like, damn, it was a good trade, but like, it's mad long for this to happen, like the likelihood of price to go in your direction with this long move, it's really tough. Like, obviously I don't have hindsight unless it happens like after, but it's like, damn, I wish I went for a smaller trade, right? Now I'm in here like, I'm probably gonna get stopped out because price is about to retrace and this, that, and the third, and I don't feel good. Like, I felt good about the trade. I'm happy that I took it because it aligns with what I usually take it, and I've like been learning. But now it's like, man, bro, like I'm in distress, and now price is breaking structure. It's 9 o'clock. Price is going crazy. Bro, let me see. Let me check news. Like, price just made that huge move. Like, I'm cooked. Oh my god, it's 9 o'clock, bro. This shit is ass, bro. Whatever, bro. Fuck. Alright, we just got stopped out. We're about to be stopped out.
Stop filled.
This is some bullshit, bro. Like, I literally